Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to add a location to Google Maps. To do this, open Google Maps. On mobile, it works pretty much the same way. Click the three dots and select Add a Missing Place. Or if it's your business, add it as a business. If you see an error on the map, click Edit the map, then add the place and enter its name. Yes. For the category, choose something like bookstore, for example, and enter the address here. Click Edit Location and select the location on the map, like here. Click Save and enter the street name. Like this, for example. Yes. And then the house number and apartment. Add more information about this place here and click Submit. After that, the place goes through review, and if it's approved, you wait for Google Maps moderation to confirm it, and then it gets added. That's all. This was me. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a good life. Good luck, everyone. Bye, everyone.